to the Rolling Board. I am Laura. Today we're going to be doing another cooking video. Welcome to my kitchen. So we are going to be doing the Disney Churros off their blog. I will link the blog down post. And let's get started. Now that we got our prepped all done, I'm going to get the water, the butter, the cinnamon, and the salt to a rolling boil. And after that, I'll meet up with you. Now that this is rolling boil, I'm going to turn this to low heat, and we're going to slowly stir in the flour until it becomes a ball. I went to paste. There's my baby. I have a degree in. Apparently does not like me talking. So I have a degree in pastry. I went to culinary school. This really reminds me of Pashu. So what we're going to do is stir it in. And this smells wonderful, by the way. I am going to transfer this to another bowl and let cool for 5 to 7 minutes. Now that this is cooled, I'm going to add the eggs, stir the eggs one at a time until they're fully incorporated. The reason why you want this to cool down is the eggs will become scrambled. Alright, just checked that while the oil is about there. So I have my protein. Use something to hold the bag. So this has a fill line. Probably going to disobey rules of the fill line. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to move you over to the oil. I'm going to set up a cooling rack with a paper towel over top a sheet rag too. I'm just going to cut these into roughly 1-inch pieces. Fry until they're golden brown. That didn't take long. Okay. And the only reason why I have the bacon sheet is so I can set the cooling rack on top of the. Alright, now that those are all there and drained off, I'm going to move over and we're going to now coat them in cinnamon sugar. And we're back. We're just going to now coat the churros into the cinnamon sugar mixture. Alright, I didn't have any heavy cream. This is half and half. I have about 6 ounces in here, about 3/4 of a cup measure. And then, so we're going to let that heat up. And then once that's heating up, I'm going to be melting the chocolate into here. Like pouring it over so the chocolate can melt. And then after that's started, I'm going to start on the caramel. So I will see you back then. Alright, now that this is coming, I'm going to turn the heat off. And then this goes over here. Also, pro tip, mobiles keep the heat a little longer. So, alright. Start that, and then I'm going to start the caramel. Okay, I have 3/4 sugar in this pan. I'm just going to keep an eye on it until it's golden brown, and then we'll be adding sugar and some more half and half to it to make it a little more saucy like. So I will get back to checking every once in a while this too. And then I added more chocolate, so you can't see, more chocolate to this. I can't tell you how much because I just kind of dumped it in. It was looking a little runny to me, so yeah, so it's coming along. I might move the camera back over here. But it's looking really nice and golden brown. We want the color bell honey. So first I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons, pinch of salt, and then the 2 tablespoons of butter. Should have used a little less, but I'm going to let this cool down or put into a container. And I will check back into you for a taste test. Okay, now that everything's done, we're going to do a taste test. Here's the chocolate. Let's take a bite. Not bad. Alright. Caramel's still a little warm. So here's the caramel. I can pick up the dish. It's still a little warm. Let's give that a try. I like the caramel a lot better, but I like caramel with the cinnamon and sugar versus that with the chocolate. Let me know if you like churros and what you like to dip them in, and leave that down below. And if you did like this video and you want more cooking, I have another baking video where I tried to replicate the Whole Foods 365 salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. I'll leave that at the end card too, and more videos at the end card will be there for you to watch. And that would be it for today. My Instagram is rabbitandboar, and that will be linked down below. And I will see you next time. Bye!